Namaskaram. Welcome to Mata Bhuvaneshwari Jodidam. Today we will look into the importance of alum and salt in removing the negativity from our life. Both alum or fitkari and salt or namak plays very important role in reducing the negativity from our life and our surrounding. As per Vastu Sastra and Feng Shui, both alum and salt are extensively used in reducing the Vastu dosha. Please note, in case of salt, sea salt is always the first preference. If sea salt is not available, then we can use rock salt or any other salt which are available with us. If we are suffering from drishti or nazar, vastu dosha or any other negative energy which we believe are hampering in our development or are negatively affecting us, then usage of alum and salt in removing such negativity from our life is one of the most cost effective and easily available option to us. There are many ways in which both alum and salt are used to remove the negativity from our life. I will tell you some of the simplest but effective ways to remove negativity from our life by using these two things. We can add some alum and salt or either one of them in our bathing water and bathe with this water. But this should not be done daily. We can bathe with this water for once in a week or once in 14 days. We can add some alum or salt or both of them in water and mop the floor of our house with that water. We can also use alum or salt in removing drishti or nazar from a person. We can keep both salt or alum or either one of them in a piece of cloth, preferably a black cloth, tie them into a knot and hang the knotted cloth above the main door. It is advisable to hang it on the outer side of the house, just above the middle of the main door. It should be positioned in such a way that whenever anyone enters or exits from the house, they should be passing beneath the cloth hanging at the main door. In this way, the negative energy which enters into our home every time with somebody entering in our house will not get into our home. Also, it will slowly reduce many Vastu dosha from the home, especially the Vastu dosha related to the main door will get reduced. We can keep either alum or salt or both of them in a glass bowl and keep them either in our bathroom or toilet or in the living room. We can also keep this bowl in the room of a sick person or wherever we feel maximum negativity in our place. In case of salt, we suggest to replace the salt once in a week, whereas in case of alum, the replacement of alum once in a month is considered sufficient. Because of this, I suggest to use different glass bowls to keep the salt and alum separately. In either case, the alum or salt should be kept in a glass bowl and should not be covered from top. It is advisable to keep these bowls in a place where nobody touches them. If we are keeping the bowl in bathroom or toilet, we also need to keep them in a place where water does not fall on them. Once we remove the old salt or alum, wash the glass bowls properly, dry them and fill with fresh salt or alum and keep them back in the same place uncovered. The used salt or alum should be thrown into a running water source like a river. If going to river is not feasible, then we can flush them in wash basin. It is not advisable to flush these things into the toilet. These used alum or salt are supposed to be discarded as soon as possible. Also, they should not be reused or consumed in any form. In case of alum, generally 50 to 100 gram alum per room is advisable to be used at a time. In case of salt, a handful of salt is advisable for each room. We may increase the quantity if the rooms are too big. These remedies are generally advised to be done on Saturdays or on Tuesdays. Apart from these ways, both alum and salt are used in many different ways in reducing the negativity from our life. The simple remedies I have mentioned here are the ones which I have personally used and suggested to many of my clients and have received positive results so far. Hope these simple, cost effective, easily available things like alum and salt will help you in removing the negativity from your life. Also, please give me your feedback on how far these remedies were helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, and share my video and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.